Okay, so I'm gonna have them kind of just showcase how beautiful our ladies are, and then as you guys can also see that the younger generations are the ones that are holding our Mien clan name, representing our last name. I want to share that SAE, that was actually added to our last name in Thailand as we apply to be refugees to come to the USA. That is actually indicating the people, who we are. Only the Mien people, the Mien, have the SAE last, starting in the beginning, preface of their last name. The Law, Li, Feng, Bang, Wang, Chu, Liu, Xiao, Li, and Turn. And some of the Turn dropped it to Tang or Tang, like my name. I'm Say-Turn. But when I got married, I used my husband's last name. He's also a Say-Turn, but he changed it to Tang, so I used Tang. But now I want they can go ahead and as they come through, I think I have showcased and share about who we are. So wherever you go, if you see anyone dressed up in our traditional clothing, now you know they're Mien people and you can say, I know who they are. We are very simple, like-minded, lovable community. We are very generous. If you come to any of our community, any of our town, we will welcome you. We celebrate the new year with our red eggs. That is a tradition. And we try to get the kids to also embrace the culture and do the red eggs, celebrate, and give red eggs out, pass red eggs out to our friends and family, our loved ones, to give them blessings of good luck, love, health, wealth, and prosperity. So I am thankful and so grateful that everyone is here. You can see how beautiful we are. I encourage all of our young, please embrace your culture. Be proud of who you are, represent, come and be more involved, get to know who we are, where we originated from. Yes, we are originated from China, but there's so much more to learn. And please learn to continue to speak our language. We will be a dying race if we don't continue. We are doing everything in here, but if you need to go out and buy food and shopping, then you can go out and make sure you stop by all the vendors out there because they're here to represent our culture and, market our pieces. But do not leave the stadium, do not leave the auditorium because you don't want to miss all of the event. Thank you.
Wow, thank you, Tom. Oh my goodness. What a treat to have her. Thank you, thank you. And could you guys all give the performance of the parade another round of applause, please? That was amazing. Festivals like this cannot be possible without our sponsors. And speaking of sponsor, I want to introduce someone that I deeply admire.